Everyone, what if I told you that one fruit could cleanse your blood vessels, reduce body fat, and improve gut health? By simply eating this fruit regularly, you can enhance heart health, boost immunity, and slow down aging. But most people think of this as just a simple snack. However, if you truly understand its benefits, your health can change dramatically. This superfood is packed with fiber and antioxidants, making it one of the best natural protectors for your body. Yet, many of us underestimate its true potential. Starting today, you need to see this differently. That food is apples. Apples? Aren't they just a common fruit? If that's what you're thinking, you have no idea how powerful apples really are. Apples are not just another fruit, they are a nutritional powerhouse that helps keep your body strong and healthy. Let's explore the incredible benefits of apples and the best ways to eat them for maximum health benefits. The amazing health benefits of apples. First, apples cleanse blood vessels and protect the heart. Apples are rich in pectin, a powerful type of fiber that lowers bad cholesterol and helps remove toxins from the blood. Studies show that people who consume apples regularly have a lower risk of heart disease and stroke. If you have high blood pressure or concerns about heart health, apples are essential. Additionally, apples contain potassium, which helps the body flush out excess sodium and maintain stable blood pressure. Second, apples support weight loss and fat reduction. Apples are low in calories but high in fiber, making them an ideal fruit for weight management. Their soluble fiber slows digestion, keeping you full longer and reducing cravings. Studies show that people who eat apples regularly tend to have lower body fat and better weight control. If you're trying to lose weight in a healthy way, an apple a day is a great addition to your diet. Third, apples improve gut health and prevent constipation. The pectin in apples acts as a prebiotic, feeding beneficial gut bacteria and promoting digestive health. If you suffer from slow digestion or constipation, apples can help regulate your bowel movements. Eating apples regularly stimulates gut activity, removes toxins, and supports a strong digestive system. For optimal gut health, make apples a part of your daily routine. How should you eat apples for maximum benefits? Apples are great on their own, but some methods help you absorb their nutrients more effectively. Eat apples with the skin on. The highest concentration of antioxidants, flavonoids, and fiber is found in the skin of apples. Eating apples with the skin maximizes the benefits and provides extra protection against inflammation and aging. If you're concerned about pesticides, wash them thoroughly with baking soda or vinegar before eating. Pair apples with nuts. Apples are rich in vitamin C but low in healthy fats. For better nutrient absorption, pair apples with nuts like almonds or walnuts. This combination helps control blood sugar levels, keeps you full longer, and provides brain-boosting nutrients. Avoid apple juice, choose apple smoothies instead. When apples are juiced, most of the fiber is removed, leaving only the natural sugars. Instead, blend whole apples into a smoothie to retain all the fiber and nutrients. For an extra health boost, mix apples with yogurt or spinach for improved digestion and enhanced nutrition. It's time to see apples differently. Now you know apples are not just another fruit. Apples support heart health, aid in weight loss, and improve gut function. They are one of the most powerful natural superfoods you can eat. This is not just another snack, it's a daily health essential. And simply eating an apple a day can make a huge difference in your overall health. Starting today, make apples a part of your meals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And stay tuned for more amazing health tips and delicious recipes in the next video. See you soon!